Yeah, my name is Samuel. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Yeah, I already recorded this tutorial and I I lost it, so sorry if I'm looking a bit um I don't know what to use, a bit down. But yes, we go again. So we're talking on B2B outbound sales automation, right? So we're about to build a B2B outbound sales automation platform. A B2B outbound sales automation platform. All right. So what does it mean? Basically, if you're a B2B business, you get customers, you send them emails, some of them reply, right? And you follow up on those emails, you get customers to book. But doing all of those things, you do it on different platforms. Is that true? So you reach out using, you know, things like instantly for cold email or contents, then you go back and forth on your email, whether on your cold email platform, whether on your email platform, maybe things like MailChimp or whatever email platform is, Gmail even, right? Then they book on Calendly. But what if we could put all of this on one platform? What if we could, maybe not build from scratch, but maybe like connect all of those things together and you can see them on one platform. So that's what we're basically doing. So we are bringing several tools together, looking for the ones we can eliminate, looking for the ones we can put together in one platform. So this is what the B2B app sales automation platform is about. So it's a platform that puts in all of your several apps, puts them together in one app. All right. So we're going to be building that app. And actually, in my former video, I did the walkthrough of how I built the app from scratch, and I lost the video, so I can't build the video from scratch again. I'm just going to show you what I've done. And the platform I like to use is Replit. All right. So this client says is look, we're looking for a developer that can build an MVP for a B2B outbound sales automation platform. All right. So is going to this product is basically going to help companies manage their early outbound process, right? And the things we're going to do are five things: important leads, creating personalized email outreach, and the like. So, important leads, I wrote here that we're going to use upload these contacts or APIs. Then for personalized email outreach, we could use Clay or Apollo, but I preferred Apollo API. Then running follow-up sequences, we're going to use Gmail, but we're going to integrate Gmail into the platform. Then process replies, we're going to also integrate Gmail into the platform. Then booking meetings, we can use Calendly or build our own sort of Calendly in the platform from scratch. So all of this is what we're going to do, and we're going to be doing some SAS model that is people can log into our platform, pay a subscription, and do all of this on their own instead of having to build the app from scratch. So the project scope is that we're going to import CSV using API. So I actually mentioned that we're going to be using API here. Then personalized image generation, we're going to be using um, an AI for this, right? Probably ChatGPT, but we are going to be integrating. We want something personal. Remember, we're using Apollo enrichment. So basically, what this means is that Apollo is going to like research the contacts, get their school, get personal things about them that is online there. Then we can use that as like as an opener, like an email opener, and say, okay, hi, 2 weeks ago, I saw that you joined this job 2 weeks ago. Congratulations, or you graduated from so and so place. Congratulations. So something personal, right? And we cannot research that by ourselves easily, but Apollo can help us to like pull contents from wherever, right, from the LinkedIn and stuff like that, and we can give a personalized email. We can send a personalized email to each person. So, but we're going to integrate Apollo into our platform, so it's easy for us to do that, right? Then there's the multi-step follow-up sequence. So this is just basically following up for people that have not replied. Then once there's the AI categorizes, we build an AI agent that helps to categorize this. Right, calendar integration, as I said, we could use Calendly or we book it inside of the platform. But since we want everything inside of the platform, we'll just build inside of the platform and integrate our Google Calendar to it. Right, email and setup, sending limits and all of that. Um, so that there's like deliverability safeguards. But the way we are going to set up our email account, we're not going to build the email account from scratch because it's not really, it's an enterprise project building an email provider. So we're going to be integrating with another email provider, right? Depending on what the client wants, but things like MailChimp or SendGrid, right? I always recommend SendGrid, right? And things like that. So we're going to be and those guys have once you integrate with an email provider. Those guys have higher deliverability and general safeguards around that we can follow. Then subscription billing and all of that, we can handle that using the platform we're using, and simple internal admin or management setup. So the platform we're going to be using for this is Replit, and I'll just be going right into what I built. All right. So this isn't sorry. This is what I built. Based on what the clients dashboard of everything. You can see here total leads imported, email sent, reply rates, meetings booked. All of these things is inside one platform. Guys, you need to understand how valuable this is. The fact all of this is inside one platform. We could import CSV leads here, or we could like add leads via an API and things like that. Mind you, Replit is entirely customizable, all right? So you can customize this as you deem fit. Then you can create sequences. So we say, we say maybe founders outreach. We create the people where we link it to the contacts we're sending to, right? Which is leads here, right? Then you know we create a campaign and send. So all of this is going to be possible because we are not creating these things from scratch. We're just connecting all of those APIs in one platform. So the Gmail API, the lead enrichment API, which is like um, Apollo, and they will be integrated in one platform. So that's the beauty of this. And you can do everything you want to do instead of jumping from platform to platform, right? You might feel like, how is this going to be valuable? But once you're dealing with a lot of people, like tens, hundreds, and thousands of leads, this becomes so valuable for a company. And that's why the job post that I used as an idea for this, they really wanted to, have this kind of platform. Then, of course, we have the bookings where when people book, when people book on your through your emails, it will just reflect here, and it will also reflect on your Google Calendar, right? So don't forget that you can put the integrations here. You see, you can connect Gmail, your Google Calendar, your Apple key, right? So that we don't have to like pay for the platform doesn't have to pay for this thing. So each user can pay for their enrichment and all that. So you put your Apollo key here, and you're good to go for enrichment. For billing, we can have here. I didn't put any plan, but you can have like more than one, and we just once you need an higher capacity, you can upgrade and stuff like that. Then this is admin dashboard. So this will just be for admin. You can see how many users have this your SaaS app, which is your SaaS app, and how many active accounts, how many total email sent. And the beauty, the beautiful thing about Replit is that it's totally customizable. So you can, you know, iterate and customize and go on and go on. So yeah, this is how you build like an outreach OS, right? This is a generic name. So you put your email, your logo rather, and your logo, the logo of of your company here. This you could use this yourself. Sorry about that. You could use this yourself, or you could use it. You could create it as an SAS and how others use it as well. So basically, in this platform, you can see we can import leads, we can create personalized email outreach. We are not able to do this just on our own. Like we are integrating other platforms that are already working into this platform, right? Then for the email hub, things like SendGrid or SendGrid, etc. Right? Then processing replies, Gmail or any other email provider as well. Then it can also book meetings and stuff like that. So with this, we've come to the end of tutorial. So what I just do in these tutorials is that I get inspirations of what clients really want day to day, and I do a tutorial walkthrough on it and I post here too. So do well to subscribe, and if you want to work with me, also my contact is in the description. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. To the next.